Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be doing just a quick unboxing of this new watch that I have right over here. So it's actually from a Singapore company which I'm actually located in, which is BOLDR Supply Co. So it's actually wrapped with this very nice cardboard box. So actually, without further ado, let me just do the unboxing for you guys to actually take a look. Okay. So actually they do have a very interesting printing on the package, is to actually guide you how to do the perfect unboxing. So I think these are just some measurements for the cardboard, and I think that's about it. Okay, so it comes with a BOLDR notebook, and it actually shows you what is this. Okay, this is the rotating compass. Gives you some information about that. I think some day and night marker. Then just a very nice little notebook with a conversion table and maybe a short ruler over here. Pretty interesting notebook. Good to have. Sorry about the flashlight because I'm actually doing this at night, so it's actually pretty dark. So next, moving on, it's actually the BOLDR box itself. So I think many of you guys would have seen a lot of unboxing. They are actually using the steel, this very nice, I think it's rubber kind of BOLDR box with a very distinctive orange color printing. So as you can see, BOLDR Supply Co. to open here. It's really a very nice box, to be honest. So actually both ends are the same. Yep. Okay, so let me just put it over here so to do the unboxing for you. So what I have today is actually a pretty unique watch. It's actually a BOLDR Expedition watch, but in this case it's actually the Watch Club Asia edition. So there are actually some differences between this piece compared to the one that they are actually currently have in store. So I think other than these are all just the paperwork for the box. Let me put that down first. So we have some expedition marketing stuff. Post your BOLDR snaps and win. I think this is instruction card. Warranty, in fact. Yep. And and they do give because of this expedition model, they do give a maze for you to actually have fun doing at home. So it's pretty interactive itself. So next, okay, let's put this back in so I can actually get into the watch, which I think all you guys are more interested in. Okay, so this is the BOLDR box. So in any case, I will actually leave BOLDR's Expedition watch over here so that you can actually take a look at the comparison. So as you can see over here is a BOLDR Expedition. Let me go through some specifications with you guys, which is the case is actually 41mm, and this is made of 316L steel. So the movement inside this watch is actually a Sellita SW200-1. It's basically a Swiss-made workhorse. It's self-winding, hand-winding, it's hackable, and there is actually 38 hours of power reserve. So this piece is actually with water resistance up to 200 meters. And as you can see, there's actually two crowns. And the reason is that the first crown is actually to do the inner rotating bezel, as you can see over here. Let me just, don't mind me because I'm actually using the flash, so it's actually, yep. Okay, so let's get that aligned back as much as possible. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, we have a sunburst dial, which is actually pretty nice. It's not too messy. It's actually a black sunburst that we actually chose it. So you have the red printing of the TWCA logo with the 1 because this is the first year anniversary watch. Sorry, I have to actually jumble everything up because I'm actually doing this without any script or assistance lah. So moving on, it's actually a double dome sapphire with blue and with anti-reflective coating. So as you can see, it's actually on this very beautiful BOLDR Originals canvas strap. Okay, so I think the change might be pretty obvious to you guys, which is we actually changed the date wheel from 4 to 6 o'clock so that it has a more even look. And the next is actually, as you can see, this is north, south, east and west instead of 15, 30 and 45. So in a way we are keeping the compass look but with also a timing bezel. So for this we have, other than this, okay, so let me just wind up the movement so you guys can actually take a look. So yep, as mentioned, it's a Selita SW200. Okay, so let me move this to 1010. Okay, so actually with this piece as compared, we also removed the baton markers from 1-4, 8 and 8, 1-4, 3 and all this, so that we can actually put numerals all throughout. And as you can see, the 12, 3 and 9 is actually a little bit bigger than the other numerals, so it's actually more obvious. In a way, we tried to create a look that is more obvious to the eye, which is more practical. Okay. And I think one last most cool unique feature is actually the date itself. So what I mean by this is that, as you can see, every date itself is in white, but because the founding date of this watch, as you can see, the founding date of the Watch Club Asia is actually on the 28th. So we actually we actually chose the day every month on 28th to remind ourselves that that is the TWCA's founding day itself. So I think that's pretty much about the dial. And oh yeah, in any case, it's only 20 millimeters lug width, so it's actually very there's a lot of straps that actually can go on with this piece. Most importantly, lug to lug is only 46, so it's gonna be super wearable. So at the back, as you can see, it's a canvas strap, but actually they do have a leather backing at the back. So with this, we have made it 1 out of 88, the BOLDR Expedition Founders Edition with the movement, as well as the founding year, which is 2019, and just a short, a water resistant up to 200 meters. So it's 1 out of 88, and as you can see, we actually kept the Expeditions logo in the middle, but on top of it is actually our TWCA logo. So this is basically the Watch Club Asia. So anyways guys, thank you so much for actually watching this, because this is actually just a quick unboxing video. I really didn't prepare anything. Oops, I actually hit the camera. Okay, so give me your thoughts about this piece, because I actually put in some effort in designing this piece itself. So we took cues because we didn't want it to be too blue, too green, too red, because everybody has their own idea of colors that they really like. So we want to keep it as basic as possible, and as well as the most important thing is actually a fuel watch itself. So this is the TWCA anniversary watch, and I hope to hear more from you guys with regards to its design cues, whether we did it right or wrong, no matter what. But I think it's a really fun time where I actually spend a lot of time in BOLDR trying to actually fit the design cues, whether it's right. But I'm actually pretty glad, because as compared to the digital rendering of this watch actually came out pretty dope, I would say. So this is the TWCA first anniversary watch from BOLDR. So thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you again. Okay, so if you have any further questions, you can actually ask me in the comment section. And if you are interested to find out more about the Watch Club Asia itself, I'll drop a link in the description, and perhaps you guys can actually check us out and you can actually find us more about there lah. Thank you guys. I'll see you the next time. Cheers.